Federal researchers are working on a system to measure and predict the destructiveness of wildfires, similar to those already in place for hurricanes and tornadoes. The National Institute for Standards and Technology hopes the Wildland Urban Interface Hazard Scale will tell residents the intensity of a likely wildfire burning in their neighborhood. The scale will help predict the potential destructive power of a wildfire, given the combination of fuel and location. The proposed scale of E1 to E4 creates regions based on location, anywhere from grasslands to remote mountain canyons. The scale is aimed at beefing up building codes and buffer zones in high-risk areas. Insurance companies are also paying attention to the research as payouts after western wildfires have grown exponentially. In the 1970s, wildfires destroyed about 400 homes nationwide. Since 2000, that number has topped 3,000 structures annually. In Colorado alone, wildfires accounted for more than $858 million in insurance claims in 2012 and 2013, according to the Rocky Mountain Insurance Information Association. Researchers are looking at building materials, landscaping, weather patterns, plus the behavior of wind-driven embers.
So if you understand the exposure, you can then design to that exposure.
Historically, big insurance claims involve flooding, but fires are gaining ground. The government is also remapping flood zones and trying to restore solvency to the National Flood Insurance Program. The change will likely raise rates for nearly everyone.
We paid $1,482 for our flood premium this year. The best estimate we have right now is $12,000 to $16,000.
Congress passed the Biggert-Waters Act last year to mandate rates more closely match true risk.
Everyone's going to pay more for flood insurance. It's just a question of how much, and we've seen so many floods now. Colorado, last year Hurricane Sandy, before that other parts of the country, and it's obvious that the FEMA program is bankrupt.
FEMA will be paying to help thousands displaced by the latest round of flooding in Colorado. This week, Vice President Joe Biden toured a portion of the $1 billion in damage in the Centennial State. Flood damage to Colorado's oil industry has state regulators monitoring spills and damage to equipment in oil fields north of Denver. At least 37,000 gallons has spilled in a dozen incidents, according to the Colorado Oil and Gas Conservation Commission. And construction crews are trying to get emergency repairs done to flood-damaged highways and bridges, where the price tag is already close to $430 million. Crews are attempting to complete their work before the fast-approaching winter weather season hits.